Here I have POCO M3 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So firstly, let's open settings, then go to the wallpaper section, tap agree. Why is it like this? Okay, so we can pick one of the pre-installed wallpapers. You can set yourself like this anime girl. Like you have a lot of them to choose. What? Okay, so or you can select one of the live wallpapers, but firstly you have to download them from the internet, or you can just set any the image that you can download from the internet, or take photo with your camera by going to the local photos. Then select photo. Here you can adjust this photo like this, and then tap apply, and then select if you want to set it on lock screen, on home screen, or on both screens. And as you can see, wallpaper changed. What with that wallpaper? So yeah, that's how you can change wallpaper on this device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.